Welcome to new episode of CAD Station's Solidworks tutorial. Today we are going to draw these drawing. So let's start our drawing. You can see I'm going to new part and okay. Now I'm going to first draw on top plane, select top plane and click on sketch. First of all, go to corner rectangle and from origin draw a rectangle. Now make a rectangle of 110 by 70. Smart dimension is 110 by 70 mm. Okay, now it's going to be extrude, or you can make two holes by drawing two circles. So I'm going to select circle, find middle, make two circles. Smart dimension, this circle is of 22 mm, diameter is of 22 mm, and make it, select these two by pressing Ctrl and make it equal. Now it's at 30 from here to here, distance is 30. From here to bottom is 30. Okay, and between these two holes are 45. From here to here is 45. Okay, now escape, select these two center points and make a relation horizontal. Okay, now I have to extrude it up to its height is 15 mm. Features, extrude up to 15 mm and okay. Now its base is ready. Now we have to draw this U-shaped part, but you can see this U-shaped part is a little bit on backside of this wall, and most part is in the block. So now I'm going to select this face, sketch. Now press Ctrl 8 to normal it. Okay, what we have to do next, you can see this is at the corner, so I'm going to select line. It shows a straight line, so make a line, simply make a U shape. Okay, it could be rough. I'm not saying to make it which dimension. Now what, select this line and select this line, make a relation equal. Select this line and this line, make a relation equal. Now you can see its dimension is given is 50, 28, 11. Smart dimension, it's 50, 11. It's become 28. Let's check. Yeah, it's 28. Okay, one more thing, it is its thickness is 35. It shows the wall is of 35, so this line 35. Okay, and this is of 45, so make it of 45. Okay, now next its height or its distance is 45, means from base from the base surface of base to its bottom, it's 45 millimeter. So select this line and this line and make a relation 45. Okay, it's done. Now we have to extrude it, but how? We have to extrude in both dimensions, but you can see its total is 175, in which 25 is in the back and the remaining 50 is in the inside of block. So I have to first make inside. Yeah, I am going to first extrude inside 50 mm. So features, extrude 50 mm, and it is reverse direction. Okay, now again extrude, sketch select this face, convert entities, features, extrude, and extrude up to 25, so it's become 75. It's done. Now you can see, next we have these two walls, but it's starting from the base and ends at the bottom of U shaped. We have many ways to draw it, but I'm going to show you the simplest way, which you can in which you are not going to face any problem. Sketch, control 8. Now line command from here to here and point here and close it. Okay, escape. Now it is of 15 mm, so I'm going to extrude it up to features, extrude up to 15 mm, but it's reverse direction. Okay, same working. Select this face, sketch, control 8. You can see this face or this surface line from here to this edge. Always click on the points so you don't miss the corners. This one, escape. Now this one is not 15, here's mentioned 15, but it's of 12, so you have to extrude it up to 12 mm, not 15, but you can see it's going inside. Okay, now you can see it's almost done. Now you have to give some appearance, or first isometric view. Make a isometric view, and give it some color. You can go to appearance, or now in this I'm going to define some appearance. Let's try plastic, or you can use metal. Try metal. Polish still is good. No, for this one, this face, this one, appearance, and change its appearance to this color. It's to show some difference. Okay, that's not necessary, you don't have to do compulsory. It's up to you. If you want to differentiate these, so you can. Now you can change it to plain white, perspective. It's up to you. These all are. No, it's complete. Hope you guys can understand this video. In this exercise, if you have any query, then you can ask me. If hope you like the video, so press the like button and share to your friends, and also invite them to subscribe Cat Stations. Thank you.